Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm back here with my favorite series that I have been doing. This is my graphic liner series. The sun is like blinding me. Each video for my graphic liner, I just do a liquid eyeliner look that usually is off the dome. Lately they have been off the dome, very creative and so much fun, and you guys have really been enjoying them. Let's get into this one. I'm super excited. This one's gonna be very holiday festive for the end of this year look, so you guys stay tuned for that. All right, so you guys, I'm going in with that Target brand palette. I love this palette because it's like a good essential everyday palette. Going in with a light pinky color. This color I believe is called Blended. I think that's a cute name. I just wanted something soft and subtle but still actually there. I don't know what I was going for, but I was going for something cute to go with this liquid eyeliner. I love the color, it's so pretty. So now we're just going to put that all over the eyelid as we should. And we're going to keep going in with that Blended. That's the main key color I'm using here. Shout out to these beautiful cherub earrings. These are from Luchan Fashion. She's one of my favorite black owned brands. She does jewelry and she does lip glosses. I love her lip glosses. You'll see it later in this video, and she's super sweet. Then we're going in with a darker shade. This was like a darker, I want to say like a dark burgundy. You really can't see it, but oh, it's called Whipped. There we go. I'm getting better. What was that? Tie. Please ignore the ad-libs, please do, and ignore the pimple on my forehead. I'm just really excited. I have some exciting news for you guys, and it's only January. I feel like that little Uzi Mimi where it's just like, it's only my 4th day here. Well, it's only my 8th day here. Anyways, we're gonna put that under the eye. My eyes look really green today. I don't know. Fun fact about hazel eyes. So my eyes are hazel. I just consider them brown, but they're hazel. Hazel eyes don't have a set color. Everyone thinks hazel eyes are like a light brown. They can be green or even yellow. That's the thing. Hazel eyes, they come in so many different colors. And the reason why they're not a set color, because hazel colored eyes blend in with whatever is surrounding. So whatever I wear, it kind of reflects off the colors I'm wearing or what's in the surrounding location. So today my eyes look green, other days my eyes will look yellow, and some days my eyes will look dookie brown. That's hazel eyes for you. People think I wear contacts. I mean, I do wear color contacts for cosplay, but not this instance. Here I go rambling about myself. Anyways, narcissist, I think not. We're going in with that liquid eyeliner. I love this liquid eyeliner. I think it's the perfect golden color. That is so pretty. It's like a gold silver. If gold and silver had a baby, that's what it would be. I thought this was very just like new year, new me. First way to start off a makeup look for the year. This is so pretty. I adored this color. The only thing I don't like about these liquid eyeliners is that once they're on your eye, they will not come off. They stick and it's really hard to get off. I do not like that because I feel like your eye area is just very delicate, and doing all that rub-a-dub-dub scrubbing is just not it. You shouldn't. Oh, that's so pretty. Like, you shouldn't be doing that. So just beware with these liquid eyeliners. I'm not even gonna link them. I'm gonna try to find a dub for you guys. Oh my gosh, not a dub. What do you call it? I'm thinking of anime. A duplicate. Yeah, a duplicate. A dupe. Yeah, so we're gonna dupe in this, but that's okay. This is so pretty. I actually do wish I made the liner thicker. Thick, but it's okay. It looks good either way. So I'm like really happy with the outcome. Another thing about this liquid eyeliner is that it's not very, not dense, but it's not very potent. So like you have to like. So pretty. So pretty. Wow. This is so pretty. Basically, with this liquid eyeliner, you do have to pack on that color to make it show up. That would be another con for this. And it looks like foil after a while. But, I mean, it's cute. Like, it's not bad. But I did have to put a lot on. Whereas the other liquid eyeliners I have from this collection, they're good too. But they are really hard to get off. And that is my con about that. Because I refuse to be very harsh on my eyes. No one should. That's how everyone like gets wrinkles and crinkles, and we don't want that. Not right now. That can come later. Let me take the bakes off. Now it's time to take off the baking powder. This is my favorite part because I feel like I'm cleaning myself up. Y'all, this pimple on my forehead is gonna be the death of me. Yeah, my eyes definitely are looking green today. Then we're gonna contour. I am using the Minted Cosmetic Contour. I'm honestly not crazy about this contour. I feel like this is my summer shade. I don't know. Like, it's just not, I need a harsher contour. I just not crazy about it. I think it's too red for me. I don't know. I'm just not crazy about it. I don't think I'll purchase it again. I think it's a little bit too, I don't know. I just don't care for it. Like, I feel like it doesn't define.
It's my favorite highlight.
I love this highlighter. These are some good highlighters. It's like a silvery gold highlighter. It looks like the liquid eyeliner I'm using now. I really love it. I will recommend this. And I'm not a fan of like loose powder highlighters. I love a good pressed powder highlighter. Loose powder highlighter just gets really messy.
It's so pretty.
And I love to be the person to not keep tops on things. And I'm good at ruining loose products.
This is like my favorite gloss.
I'm like
favorite gloss.
Some fries.
By Luchan Fashion.
Miss Luchan Fashion did her thing with this lip gloss. I absolutely love the color. It is so pretty. It's so unique. I don't know any mainstream brand that has this lip gloss.
You know, we gotta gloss this look up.
Y'all know I had to add the super jelly lip gloss. I love that.
This is so pretty. Don't want to wear big lashes because I don't want to mess up the makeup look.
Now we're going in with mascara. I'm not crazy about this mascara. I think it's old. I need a new mascara. I don't have a good mascara. I think because I'm so used to
use my lashes.
Wearing false lashes that I just don't care to have any.
My lashes got long out of nowhere. Wow, this is so pretty.
But yeah, we gotta do those under eyelashes. I am trying to take a break from wearing false lashes a lot, because like I used to have really long eyelashes when I was younger, and not no more. That's so pretty.
So pretty.
But like when I do have makeup looks, I want my lashes to be apparent.
Oh, this is so good. I'm like living. Huh. This is awesome. This is beautiful. Really nice. I'm going to put on some more highlighter. You can never have too much highlighter. Let's fix that.
How did I not see that hair on me? I just be doing the most. Now we're going in with another highlighter. I love highlighter, if you guys can't tell.
Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And last but not leastly, spray the face. There we have it. This is my graphic liner series video, probably number 5 or 4, I can't remember, but I've been putting them out like crazy. I love this look. It's so easy and it's so pretty. Just use 2 eyeshadows and like 1 liquid liner. It's so easy and so pretty. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. I love this. I don't even want to take this off. I'm about to like go outside and take pictures. That's how much I love this. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you're gonna subscribe, you better hit that notification bell twice so you know the next time when I post a new video. I want to thank you guys so much. You guys have been like blowing me up. Like, that's what's up. So thank you guys so much. From the bottom of my heart, it means so much to me. I know I say this all the time, but it really does. You guys are motivating me to keep putting out more videos. I can't wait for you guys to see my next video. Can't wait to put out my next video. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, daisies. I love you guys. Bye. Later.